our friend Pawan.
Yes,
Seems to be very tensed. Hello, Pawan. What happened, man? Why are you tensed? What happened?
You know, the other day I told you
Yeah.
I liked one girl.
Yes, you had proposed that girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She rejected my proposal, dude.
What?
I proposed her with a good bouquet, which had good plastic cover.
Okay.
But still she rejected.
Still, she rejected your proposal, and you gave a wonderful, beautiful, big bouquet with the plastic. I got the idea. You know, she hates plastic. You must do one thing. You give this plastic-less pen, and she will be yours.
Sure?
100% sure. Give this plastic-less pen, and she will accept your proposal.
Okay. Definitely I will try this.
Dear friends, in this world we have umpteen number of problems. So one problem among them is usage of plastic. Because of more usage, over usage of plastic, we have number of bad consequences, problems in this Mother Earth. We have made a small effort to show and to instill a good idea to inspire youth and each and every being. And that idea we have shown here, that is, our motto should be no plastic, save the nature.